Hey guys, for some reason, every other person is born in June. Anyway, since everyone's born in June, I've decided that I'll take this opportunity to bake some dessert boxes. Bake boxes? Treat boxes? I don't know. Essentially means a box with assorted bakes. I have done some extensive research and planning. So in total, I think I'll be baking 5 or 6 boxes. Yeah, so today's currently Tuesday. I'm planning to send everything out by Saturday. Fingers crossed this works. Let's go for a drive. Let's go for a drive, baby. In this foreign car, baby, all night long. Guys, I come here to buy all my boxes because there's a lot of different types. A lot of cupcake molds as well. I found it! Just under 100. Very mochi.
Damn good. Creamy, not too sweet, super rich mango taste, perfect.
And the skin is like chewy without being too thick. You guys, this shit is damn good.
We bought it, then we bought it once.
Considering that white people made this, it's pretty damn good lah. Wow shit, I feel like our children will grow up having damn expensive taste.
The more hours you're buying potong ice cream. Only potong ice cream allowed.
I like potong leh. What's your favorite potong flavor? Don't tell me. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Ulu
Yam.
hitam. Oh, yam is my second favorite.
Comment down below what's your favorite potong ice cream. Flavors are here. You can go comment now or else. So the first thing that we're gonna bake is cheesecake.
Oh my, it's time to change it up.
Guys, the texture is kind of weird. Like, I think it's supposed to be more watery. Okay, whatever. Let's hope it works. I'm in a Zoom. Now it's time to make some cards.
It's all over town.
Guys, I just tried it. It tastes fantastic. Browning butter is really a game changer. I don't know whether the last burnt cheesecake turned out well because like I made 8-inch cake when I usually make 6-inch. So like the baking time has to differ and that really is like the decisive factor for the texture. So yeah, I really wouldn't know until I cut it up. So if it's bad, I'm sorry. Hey guys, so I wrote some cards yesterday. But I haven't really added any stickers. I have an entire folder of stickers. I think when I was in JC, I really went through like a sticker phase and I bought so many stickers from Taobao.
Baby, you get your way, nothing I can do.
Today is the day, so we're gonna scoop these out first. So I saw this TikTok where they said like, if you want your cookies to be round, for example this one's not super round, you just take this thing and then you just and then become rounded. Did it work? Gonna use these donut pans because we're making baked mochi donuts. Now it's time for a sponge cake. Fuck. Oh my god, this is so chaotic. This is so chaotic. How do I get it out?
As long as it didn't split, it's okay.
Yeah, it's fine. Oh, my baby. Oh my god, spitting. Oh my god. Here's the situation so far. Look at these beautiful puff cookies I made. Oh my god, these are so nice. Made some mochi donuts. I'm gonna dip them in glaze like this. And I have 4 more left to bake. Yeah, now my sponge cake is baking. And this is like what I'm the most scared of. I'm scared I didn't like separate the egg whites and egg yolks properly just now. And then like maybe like I didn't fold them enough. I don't know, something but because like sponge cake is like quite tricky. So I really hope it works. I've never made like a successful sponge cake before. I also have a bunch of dishes to wash. This is already my 5th time washing. Lunch break. Fantastic. Look at this beautiful sponge cake, guys. I'm not sure how to cut this though. How do I split this up? Kitchen and house is in an absolute mess, but we are gonna glaze the donut.
I thought you were 19 subscribers.
Just 34 now, okay?
Whoa! You're growing popularity.
Yeah, y'all better watch out. So this is my glazing station. David, do you appreciate this glazing station? Yes, you do. So we have 2 types of glaze, okay? We got chocolate and matcha, which we're gonna make now. Here is my cheesecake. Okay, so think about how we should.
How many proportions does?
I'm thinking 2. I'm chocolate now. This is 1.
And 2.
Okay, 2 of this here. Yay! Guys, it looks so good! We are on our way, mates! I look frazzled because I am. It's been a chaotic ass day. But now we're gonna deliver our food.
Buzz.
Thank you. Hi to your fans.
Hello fans. Hope you're doing well. Please like, subscribe.
Don't get dengue. Hi guys, it's like Sunday right now. I didn't film my outro, so here it is. Okay, yesterday was like crazy. I don't know about you, but anytime I'm on my period, right, my feet get really sore easily. So yeah, I was standing a lot the entire day and I was just sweaty, and you know, it was just hella chaotic because there was a lot going on with all the recipes, and then like I had to keep washing because I didn't have enough bowls, so I had to reuse the bowls and everything. And baking is a messy affair because there's so much like oily bits and flour and stuff that could like get everywhere. Yeah, okay, so some tips for anyone who is looking to do a box, it would be that depending on your occasion and priorities, to choose things that are easier to bake. So for instance, I see a lot of bake boxes on Instagram. They tend to offer easy to bake things like cookies and scones and muffins and brownies. They might just change up the base and things to make them taste slightly different, but because it's the same base, it's a lot easier to handle. But for me, even though I was aware of this, I still chose to do some things that were a bit harder or challenging. Okay, not really challenging, at least the donuts one. It's just that they took a bit more effort to assemble, and because there's so many different components. But yeah, I'm glad I did that. You know, since it's like my friends' birthdays and Father's Day, I wanted to do something that was more like festive and celebratory instead of something that's more like, I don't know, like brownies and tea cakes and muffins. It just feel like a bit lame for birthday lah. So I try to include like them like epic items that like I personally love. I just tried my strawberry shortcake and it's damn good Oh my god, I'm so impressed that I managed to do this shortcake properly. Thanks for watching my video, guys. I don't know whether this was boring. I did enjoy myself. Like I feel so accomplished, but I'm so tired. Like currently on day 2 of my period, which is why I think it's okay for me to eat some snacks even though it's not my birthday. Okay, see you guys in the next video. Bye.